Unless you want to go down the black.
Doesn't matter.
I'm good with whatever.
I'm fine with whatever as well. If we want to end it easy, we could go green.
I'm good with whatever. Black, green.
You want black?
Up to you, Nano.
I just want someone else to leave.
Well, if we go black, we'll get more speed to at least leave. I'm sure it can't be any worse than it is up top.
You've done the black before, right?
I think so. I don't think they're that bad.
Yeah.
Well, we enter right here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's do it! Fucking cool. Alberta, baby! Oh, I gotta get out of here. Again, this is why we whack.